Hi, good morning. Welcome back to our English class. So, today we are going to learn one and many. Okay, and this is the part one. Okay, now tell me the name of this animal. What is this animal called? Yes, cat. What is the spelling of cat? Read it. C-A-T, cat. Okay, now this is one cat. When you count how many cats are there, only one cat is there. So now if there are more than one, then what do we call? We call them many. Okay, one and more than one. So this is one cat and many. Can we say many cat? No. The spelling is different. What do? We add S to it. So now it becomes cats. One cat and many cats. Say with me again. One cat, many cats. Very good. Now look here. What is the name of this animal? Yes, it is a rat. So how many rats are there? Yes, only one rat. So say one rat. Okay. And whenever there are more than one rat, what do we call them? Many rat. Can we call it rat? No. We have to add S. It will be rats. So one rat, many rats. Okay. So what did you learn here? We add S to some words to change them from one to many. Okay. So if you want to change from one to many, then what will you do? You will add only S to the word. Okay. Then it will change, the spelling will change from one to many. Like for example, how many crayons are there? Only one. So what is the spelling? Crayon. A crayon. A means one. Why do we say a? A means one. A crayon means one crayon. And these are many crayons. So what do we say? Many crayons. S, we have the spelling is same. Look here. Crayon. Here also Crayon, but we have added S. If it is more than one, then we'll add S to make it many. From one to many. Okay, now look here. What is this? An orange. Now why we have written an? Because this O is a vowel. है ना? A-E-I-O-U-R vowel. So whenever the word is starting with a vowel, what do? We write a, instead of a, we write an orange. Okay. And more than one, then we'll write many oranges. Okay, we'll not call it orange, we'll call it oranges. Look here, we have added S. Okay, say with me again. An orange, many oranges. Okay, let's look at the next slide. What is this? Yes, it is a ball. What is this? A ball. If more than one balls are there, then we'll say balls. Say it once more. A ball, and these are balls. Look here, we have added S to the spelling of ball. Chalo, let's look at the next picture. What is this? It is a kite. Repeat with me. A kite. And now, what are these? Kites. Look here at the spelling again. K-I-T-E, kite. And here we have added K-I-T-E-S. Kites. Okay. Next, who is this? A girl. Only one girl is there. So what we are saying? A girl. And girls. More than one. So we are calling them girls. Repeat again. A girl. Girls. So we have added S over here. Next, now this is an exercise for you. This is a pencil. So what are these? What will we write here in the blank? Yes, you're right. What is the spelling of pencil? Pencil. So what will I add to make it many, since it is more than one, है ना? इधर एक ही है, ये एक से ज्यादा है। एक से ज्यादा होता है तो हमें उसको many बोलते हैं and s आगे लगाते हैं। So pencil is the spelling of pencil। तो pencils स ऐड करेंगे तो क्या ऐड करेंगे? s। we will add s, so it will be pencils, pencils। okay, next, what is this? Egg. Okay, more than one, we have already written here eggs. So what should we write here? A egg? No. Why? Because e is a vowel. We will write an egg. So how will we write? an e double g egg, an egg. Okay. Next, a cap. These are caps. More than one means caps. And here it will be only one cap, so that is why we are writing a cap, a cap. Okay, chalo next. What is this? A book. What is it? A book. And these are many books. We are adding s. You can hear the sound of s, huh? After book there is a sound of s. When there are many, you will add s. So what is the spelling of book? B-double-O-K, book. And if we add s, it will become books. So B-double-O-K-S, books. Okay. Next, here is a bird. Okay, what is the spelling of bird? B-I-R-D, bird. And there are more than one birds. So these are many birds. Okay, so what should I write here? Yes, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Okay, chalo, look here now. These are many tables, T-A-B-L-E-S, tables. But here only one table is there. So what will I write here? Yes, a table. A T-A-B-L-E, table. Okay, understood? Now the next one. This is a frock. Only one frock is there. But here there are frocks, many frocks. So what will I write over here? What is the spelling of frock? F-R-O-C-K, frock. So many frocks. So I will add S and it will become F-R-O-C-K-S, frocks. Understood? Okay. Now look here. What is this? A duck. Okay, only one duck is there. Huh? And here many ducks are there. So what is the spelling of duck? D-U-C-K, duck. And I will add S to make it ducks. So what we will write? D-U-C-K-S, ducks. It's easy, no? Only S you have to add. Now look here. There are so many balloons. Look here. B-A-L-L-O-N-S, balloons. Only one balloon is there. So what should I write? A balloon. So how I will write? A B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Okay, a balloon. Now the next one here, look here, an orange. We already did it earlier in the earlier slide. An orange. Okay, why did we write an? Because O is a vowel. So you have to keep looking on at this. Huh? So an orange. So this will become oranges. O-R-A-N-G-E-S, oranges. Okay. Next, a cake. And these are cakes. So what is the spelling of cake? C-A-K-E is cake. So cakes will be C-A-K-E-S, cakes. And these are many elephants. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T-S, elephants. So here, what should I write? A elephant. है ना? No, it is wrong. Why? Because E, which is the first letter of the spelling elephant, is a vowel. So what should we write? An elephant. Yes, an elephant. Okay, so that's all. Only these many words. You can copy it down in your English notebook. No need to draw pictures. Just write the heading one and many and make two columns. One column, the first column you will write one and the next column you will write many. So you will write an orange, next column you'll write oranges. A cake, cakes. An elephant, elephants. Okay, so side by side only you will write. Understood, no? You have to divide your page into two parts. You draw a line in between, or you can just write here one. Heading will be one and many. And here you have to write all the one names, that is an orange, a cake, an elephant. And in the many side you will write oranges, cakes, elephants. समझ में आया ना? आपको आपके पेज को दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है और ये खाली जो लिखा हुआ है ना वो आपको अच्छे से लिखना है नोटबुक में। पिक्चर्स ड्रॉ करना कंपलसरी नहीं है। अगर आपको अच्छा लगता है तो आप कर सकते हैं, नहीं करेंगे तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। सिर्फ आपको ये समझ में आना चाहिए कि वन से मैनी करना है तो हम एस लगा रहे हैं। ओके, सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। सी यू अगेन। बाय। कंप्लीट योर क्लास वर्क। आई एम गोइंग टू चेक इट. And I'm seeing who all are looking at the video properly. I'm able to see from that camera, your mobile camera and laptop camera. ठीक है, मुझे सब दिखाई देता है उस मोबाइल के कैमरा से और आपके लैपटॉप के कैमरा से भी दिखाई देता है आप अच्छे से पढ़ रहे हो कि नहीं. ओके, सो आई एम कीपिंग अ वॉच ऑन यू, मुझे पता है. ओके, कंप्लीट योर वर्क प्रॉपरली, सिट इन वन प्लेस एंड कंप्लीट इट. ओके, चलो बाय, सी यू सून.